So today I am in the Subak Museum in Tabanan, and Sari will be very nice. She will explain a little bit about the museum. Thank you, Sari.
Okay, you're welcome. Okay, good afternoon. I will explain for you about the museum here. Yeah, so in this museum we saw for about 250 collection about the traditional tools that we use in the rice field area. Yeah, start from the tools for open the land long time ago until we can eat rice. Yeah, and first we can see the statue of rice goddess. We call Dewi Sri. Dewi Sri. Okay. Next, this is the children. Yeah, in the rice field, we call Rare Angon. In the history, Rare Angon is a manifestation of Siwa born to the earth and teach the people how to use traditional music during they work in the rice field. Yeah. And then this, the example of traditional farmers. Yeah, use traditional hat, hoe, only use cloth like this, sickle on the back, like this. But we can see now the farmers use complete uniform because maybe different weather, different atmosphere. Yeah, no hot. Next, here we can see the tools for start digging the land before the farmers plant rice. Yeah. This tool use cow or buffalo.
So the cow or buffalo, yeah?
Yeah. We can see the example here. The farmers with 2 cows. Yeah. Start process before plant rice. In here we can see the map of Bali Island. Yeah? So in this map we know where is the water come from for the irrigation. Yeah? So in Bali we have 4 lakes for irrigation, like Batur, Buyan, Tamblingan, and Beratan lakes. Yeah? And we can see in the map the black color special for the rice field area, village, and garden.
Okay.
Yeah? And Tabanan. That we know Tabanan, special place we call rice granary because in Tabanan we have the biggest rice field area.
The biggest?
Yeah.
Okay.
Biggest rice field area. So very famous. The one place in Tabanan we call Jatiluwih, that's very famous.
Yeah.
Yeah, and it's the history of Subak. Subak already found since 1072, and the system irrigation still used now. Because Subak is an organization of farmers, so has the organization structure like this, like the head, treasurer, secretary, head of sub-Subak, and Subak members. In here we can see the tools for the organization, yeah, like absency, regulation, the tools for measuring time, long time ago, yeah. This absency and bag for secretary.
This is some explanation, yeah?
Yes. And here the tools for open the land long time ago. Before there are rice field area, so the farmers cut the forest, cutting forest, yeah, clearing the land. Hard work. Yeah, and here we can see the tools for digging tunnel. Digging tunnel, so the water can go underground. Source water underground. Yeah. And here we can see the special tools we call kulkul. This for communication. To invite the members come for meeting. Yeah. So, different tones in different situations.
Okay.
Like alarm. Okay, and here we can see the tools for dividing water. Yeah, so every member get water depend on how big their area. If they have small area, they have small water, and big area, they have more water.
How does this work?
Just water, this wood put in the river, in the big, put the big one, and the small one put in the canal.
Okay.
Yeah. This is the example. Yeah, this water in the canal and water divide. Yeah. One portion water use finger for measuring. Yeah. This called one tak-tak for one member. Yeah.
Okay.
Water. And here only small area, so have only half size. Here the sacralization water in the lake and beach. Yeah. So offering ceremony in the lake. Yeah. And here we have a traditional calendar, specially used for choose the good climate for farming activity. Yeah. But now we use modern calendar. Yeah. This hoe and this. Yeah. For process in the rice field before plant rice. This use manual process. Yeah. Because for the plow or the cow or tractor difficult to access the area, so for small rice terrace like this, the farmers still use manual process. This bigger area, so use cow. And after prepare area, ready to mix seedling rice. Big hat, that's traditional hat. And here the example of the irrigation. Yeah. So the water start from here. The rice field is over there. Yeah. So in the big river, water block in the dam, and then make tunnel there, and water divide underground here, and finish here. So the water can search for the rice field down side. In here on the garden, so the water come only from the rain. After seedling rice grow up, yeah, and then ready to plant one by one. After grow for about after 2 weeks, yeah, the farmers compost, yeah, use compost or chemical fertilizing. And then this special tool for fishing, traditional fishing tools.
Fishing.
Yeah. The fish like eels, yeah, crab, frog, shrimp. And here we can see the rest already grow and seed, yeah, have seed. So the bird will come to eat the rice, and the farmers make a scarecrow, and then special tools like this for make noise. Then harvesting. We have two kinds of rice in Bali, local and new variety. Local rice, we can see in Jatiluwih, is so tall, taller than new variety rice. Yeah. For local rice, twice harvest a year, and new variety 3 harvest a year. Yeah. Here you can see the rice already harvest and drying, yeah, by sunshine. And then if the farmers have a lumbung at home, they keep in lumbung. And here this we see later. This is the example already dry, yeah? Red rice, white rice, black rice. Yeah. After stem the rice, is this for winnowing. So separate between the rice and the skin. Yeah. And this sell the rice in the market. Yeah. Long time ago, they just use these tools, yeah, coconut shell, for measuring rice. And kitchen, traditional kitchen. So a long time ago, they just use wood with every traditional material, yeah, like clay, bamboo, wood, stone, like this. Yeah. And after cook, rice put here, yeah, like this. And this the spoon use coconut shell. Also very traditional. And the family sit here for eat the rice like the picture. So for the plate they use coconut shell too. Like this. Okay, I think that's all about the tools in our museum.
Thank you, Sari.
Thank you, you are welcome. Okay, so Igor, this is the hole to check the tunnel. Yeah, to check the tunnel in the downside. Yeah, and also this for ventilation.
Okay.
So if sometimes there are rabies, so the farmers take from here. Rabies, yeah. Okay. Welcome to the traditional Balinese house. So the first, we see the gate here. We call angkul. Yeah? This angkul. Yeah. And here we find the aling. Aling is the wall to protect the family from outside. Sometimes the Balinese people put a Ganesha statue here in front of the aling to protect the family from bad spirit. And also the activity inside the house cannot see from outside. That's the function for the aling. And the first we can see the traditional kitchen here with many traditional tools with the natural material. Yeah. So here the kitchen with natural tools. Yeah, the tools made by clay. This all tools made by clay, bamboo, like this. Yeah, this clay. Yeah, and this special bag, this function for take water in the river long time ago. Yeah, and cool for communication. Yeah, so here for take water. Yeah, and this the plate for eating. Okay, this the tools for keep the spices in the kitchen, like this for salt, for salad, for chili. Yeah, so many functions here. And this for the water. Yeah. So here we can see the we call jinang gede in Bali. Yeah. So rice storage in the top. Yeah, and here the people can relax. Yeah, and sometimes also for make the ceremony here. Yeah, family meeting here. Yeah, and then here we call Bali Dao, special for the guests. Yeah, and this the bed for sleep. Bed. Yeah. So open like this long time ago, only use cloth. Yeah. And here we call Bali Daja, special building for children. Yeah, so close building to protect the children from maybe the animals. Yeah. And then over there we can see Bali Dangin, special for ceremony and sleep for the old people like parents and grandparents. Yeah. And in the corner we can see the family temple. Yeah. So every day the family offering ceremony there. Okay. So this is special tools for traditional play. It can play for the kids and also for the adult. But I cannot. Yeah. Cannot. So work use this. Yeah.
Wow, okay.